We out here.
I
hope you're doing good, guys. The sun just came out.
Okay. Okay. Und? Yo, out here in Wiesbaden. Hungover as fuck. I haven't felt so hungover for a while now, but the excitement is big. So let's check out the city. Back in my hometown, Wiesbaden. Last time I've been riding here has been years ago. As you can see, I brought the weather with me from Hamburg. Yeah, this is my first like real ride with this bike. Let's see how it feels. Yeah, this is Hamdi, one of my day one bros that I started riding fixed gear with.
What's up?
Around the time I left Wiesbaden to go to Hamburg to open the ride race shop. Since then, he's been a very active DJ, so he's been doing his thing here. But as soon as I come to visit, that's when he gets his fixed gear bike back out. Yeah, this is one of our historical streets here. Getting ready to ride towards a parking lot that we're hoping it's a little drier. To get there, we have to ride through the city. So let's go. Like we're not gonna be riding fast, right?
No.
We're gonna be cruising. But the police still gets quite mad if they see you riding the bike through the city here. So let's see if we can find a police officer.
Say hello.
Erzähl dich mal was. Yo, this is okay, ciao. So this is our old hood. This is in the street. I've lived for 10 years, about 10 years. Culturally, it's very interesting because this is where cultures really come together in this street. It's called the Straße here in Wiesbaden. Yeah, as you can see, you can get anything you need here. Really, you can get anything you need. Anything. Anything.
Okay.
Yeah, we're at this. Das ist das denn? Okay, so we're at this parking lot. It's made out of different floors on different levels, and it has like banks that connect the different floors. So we're gonna see what we can maybe do here. There's one problem. When we rode in here, there was a security guard sitting at the entrance. We're just gonna look and see if he's gonna check on us or if everything's cool. Because even though we're not vandalizing anything,
Wir müssen das so machen wie der Doku, du musst immer so auf mich zulaufen, weißt du.
So even though we're not breaking anything or causing any chaos, securities still don't like us, man. I don't know. They don't like my face. They don't like his face. It's always been this way. I don't know why. I think it's maybe because of the graffitis that we do, but I'm guessing it's not.
Ja.
Achso, okay, warte, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we just had the brilliant idea to fly our drone down this hill, do a little follower with me and Hamdi. We thought this could be a good spot because the street is quite open, long, so we have a little time to maybe do a wheelie or two. Let's just see if the police is gonna bust us with our drone or if we'll make it home safely today. First shot wasn't that nice. When I rode down here with Hamdi and Niels filmed it with the drone, it was a little boring, so we thought we would try to maybe film this little drop here. Now we did a little run. It was quite okay, but now we're off to the next spot. I think my tire is almost finished. I don't know if you can see it, but it's getting there. Was soll ich so anfangen zu reden? Old time. Ah! There she is, the new Dosnoventa Detroit in Desert Yellow. I remember like 10 years ago riding through these streets. I was only dreaming of my own Dosnoventa, you know. Now I'm coming back and I'm showing my Dosnoventa in my home city. Yeah, there's like a couple of things about this bike that are quite similar to the LA frame, but in general the Detroit is just more aggressive. As you can see, she's quite dirty. I fitted 32 millimeter tires on them. Sometimes when a little dirt comes into this crack, sometimes you'll hear a couple of sounds, but the tires fit. As you can see in the front, the clearance is very small, but they fit. There's been a lot of questions being asked towards like what ratio I ride, what parts I ride, and most of the times they're always the same questions, so now I'm just gonna answer them all at once. My ratio, like I'm probably not your typical fixed gear rider because I don't really worry about my ratio too much, or the special parts that I ride. I don't really worry about that too much. I just ride what I have kind of and get used to the ratio that I have. But now I'm riding 48/16. I don't know, I think it's quite normal, I'd say. The second question is, what's better, drop bars or flat bars? I have to say I like to switch it up a little. I like to have flat bars for a time and then switch it up to drop bars for a time. There's nothing really that I can say bad about drops or flat bars. Like, it's just fun to have to switch around. The third question that has been asked very often is lap pedals with straps or click pedals. That's something I like to switch up any once in a while too, but I probably prefer straps with normal shoes. Straps with normal shoes because you always have to be ready to hop on a skateboard and do a kickflip as soon as a little kid comes by with a skateboard, if you know what I mean. So that's point one. And point two is I just like walking around with normal shoes. I don't get like this walking around with clip shoes all the time. There is the possibility to have like normal shoes with a click system. There's people that make that, you know, but for me it's like halfway, you know. Either I ride real clip pedals with a stiff sole and with a light shoe, or I ride normal street shoes with straps, you know. For me there's no in between. I'm not the real bike porn guy, so I'm not gonna be the guy to like really take apart the whole bike and like tell you about everything. Like, my whole motto is just have a bike, have fun with it, and everything else should happen on the saddle.